Good morning, everyone. My name is Jeff Gabriel Martuña, and today the subject is mathematics in modern world. So here's our problem: the H-word problem, mixture problem, distance rate, and time problem. So first, we have the H-word problem. This is our H-word problem. Jack is 3 times as old as his son, Zach. In 10 years, Jack will be twice as old as Zach. How old are Jack and Zach now? So this is our this is how to solve this. So first, let's write Zach's age. So Zach's age is equals to X. Since Jack is 3 times as old as Zach, you can write Jack's current age as 3X. So Jack equals to 3X. So secondly, next we think about their age in 10 years. In 10 years, Zach's age will be X plus 10, and Jack's age will be 3x plus 10. Now the problem tells us that in 10 years, Jack will be twice as old as Zach. So we can set up an equation based on this information. So 3x plus 10 is equals to 2x plus 10. So now let's solve this equation step by step. So first, we, we need to expand the right side of the equation. 3x plus 10 is equals to 2x open parenthesis x plus 10. So we need to solve this 2x plus 10. So 3x plus 10 equals to 2x plus 20. Now we'll isolate x. Let's subtract 2x from both sides. So 3x minus 2x plus 10 is equals to 2x minus 2x plus 20. And x plus 10 is equals to 20. Next, subtract 10 from both sides. X plus 10 minus 10 is equals to 20 minus 10 is equals to 10. So we've solved for x, which is 10. That means currently aged 10 years old. Now let's find Jack's age. Since Jack's age is 3 times, and we know x is equals 10, so we can calculate Jack's age. So Jack's age will be 3x is equals to 3 open parenthesis 10 equals to 30. So this is Jack's age, 30. So to summarize, Jack's age is 10 years old and Jack is 30 years old. So this is Zach's age, and Jack's 30 years old. So secondly, the mixture problem. This is our problem. A chemist is mixing two solutions of acetic acid. One solution is 30% acid and the other is 70% acid. How many liters of each solution must be mixed to create 20 liters of solution that is 50% acid? So this is how you solve this. So first, a chemist is mixing two solutions. So 30% acid and the other is 70%. So first, let X be the amount of 30% acid solution. So X equals 30% acid. The other is 70%. So the total mixture must be 20% liters. So now we set up equation based on acid concentration. The total acid in a mixture should be 50% of 20 liters. So here's the equation. 0.3 x plus 10 plus 0.7 20 minus x equals to 10. So, on how to solve this solution, expand and simplify. 0.3 x plus 14 minus 0.7 x is equals to 10. Then uh, 0.4 x plus 14 is equals to 10. 0, 0.4x is equals to negative 4. X is equals to 10 liters of the 30% solution. So next step is find the amount of the 70% solution. The amount of the 70% solution is 20x, 20 minus x is equals to 20, and then minus 10 is equals to 10 liters. So the final answer is to create 20 liters of 50% acid solution. Mix 10 liters of the 30% solution and 10 liters of the 70% solution. So that's how you solve a mixture problem. And then the third problem and the last one is distance rate and time problem. So this is our problem. So a car travels from city A to city B, a distance of 240 miles. If the car travels at a speed of 60 miles per hour, how long will it take to travel this distance? If it returns at a speed of 80 miles per hour, how much total time does the round trip take? So this is how you solve the problem. So a car travels 200 miles from city A to city B at 60 miles per hour. So first, we calculate the time to travel city A to city B. We use the formula time is equals to distance divided by speed. For the is first is time. Distance is 240 miles, so 240 miles. So we divide that by the speed of 60 miles per hour. So it totals to 4 hours. So here's our time, 4 hours. So next step is to calculate the time for the return trip at 80 miles per hour. So time is equals to 240 miles divided by 80 miles per hour. So we divide that, it becomes 3 hours. So this is our time at 80 miles per hour. Now we find the total time by adding both times together. So total time equals to 4 hours plus 3 hours equals to 7 hours. So the total time for the round trip is 7 hours. And that is how you solve the distance, rate, and time problem.